Hi everyone, welcome back to Nomo Studio. So in this video, ay magsasagot po tayo ng isang math random problem. Dito magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang solutions, isang shortcut method at isang usual method when solving mathematical problems, yung nakasanayan lang ng marami. So without any further ado, let's get started. The average of 5 consecutive odd numbers is 41. What is the largest number? Feel free to pause the video if you'd like to answer. By the way, let us first recall what is meant by average. It is defined as the sum of all numbers divided by the total number of values. So halimbawa, we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So again, kapag sinabing average, just get the sum, no? Get the sum of all the numbers and then divided by the total number of values. So in this case, let's add them up. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And that is simply equal to 10. Then, divided by kung ilan sila lahat. So that means divided by 4 kasi nga apat sila. So yung result, ang tawag po dyan is average or mean. So now let's start with the usual way of solving mathematical problems. Later, ipapakita po natin yung shortcut method. Again, sabi dito sa problem, the average of 5 consecutive odd numbers is simply 41. So let us assume that the integers are simply x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, and lastly x plus 8. And I know na meron talagang nakukonfuse sa inyo kung saan ba galing itong mga representations na ito, sa x, x plus 2, x plus 4, and so on. So ganito po yan. Para mas madali po nating maintindihan, let's try to use numbers. So let's try to have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So di ba ito yung ating 5 consecutive odd numbers? 5 magkakasunod-sunod na mga odd numbers. Ngayon, observe paano natin nakuha yung second odd number using the first odd number. Di ba nag-add lang tayo ng 2? Observe nyo din po yung third number. Paano natin yan nakuha gamit yung second odd number? Di ba nag-add ulit tayo ng 2? Observe nyo din po yung fourth odd number. Nakuha natin siya by simply adding 2 from the previous number. And observe the last, which is 9. Nakuha din natin siya by simply adding 2 from the previous odd number. So dito, ginamit lang po natin yung mga numbers na ito just to simply explain what these representations really mean. So ang ibig sabihin lang pala nito, kinakailangan lang natin mag-add ng 2 from the previous number to get the next or succeeding numbers. So in this case, if this is our first odd number, so we need to add 2 here para makuha natin yung next na number. And add 2 again to get the third number. And add 2 again to get the fourth odd number. And lastly, add 2 to get the fifth odd number. We will use this representation to get the right answer. So now, sabi dito, the average of 5 consecutive odd numbers, which is 41. So that means we have to add all these representations, x plus x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8 divided by kung ilan sila lahat, which is simply 5. And that is simply equal to 41. Kasi nga ang average daw ay 41. And now let's solve this algebraically. So we have x plus x, and that is 2x, plus x, we have 3x, plus x again, and that is 4x. And lastly, we have plus x, and that is simply 5x. 2 plus 4, that is 6, plus 6, we have 12, and plus 8, we have 20. So we have 5x plus 20 divided by 5, and that is equal to 41. To simplify this fraction, we have to multiply 5 on both sides. Times 5 times 5. So 5 times this quantity divided by 5. Tingnan nyo po, nag-multiply tayo ng 5, magdi-divide lang din naman pala tayo ng 5. So the answer is simply the numerator, which is 5x plus 20. Equal to 41 times 5, that is 205. Let us subtract 20 on both sides. So minus 20 minus 20, we have 5x. This is 0. 205 minus 20, and that is 185. And to solve for the value of x, simply divide 5 on both sides. So divided by 5, divided by 5. 5 divided by 5, that is simply x na lang. 185 divided by 5, and we have 37. And our x is simply 37. So ito po yung ating first odd number. Now, kung ito pala yung ating first odd number, at alam po natin na kinakailangan lang pala natin mag-add ng 2 from the previous odd number to get the next odd number. So that means 37 plus 2, so this is 39. And we have our third odd number, which is 41. Next is 43. And lastly, we have 45. And this is our 5 consecutive odd numbers. Pero ang tinatanong lang kasi sa atin is what is the largest number? So the largest number is simply 45, which is letter B. Ngayon, ito na po yung ating shortcut method. Tandaan lang po natin na, okay, lapit ka konti at ibubulong ko sa iyo yung technique. Tandaan nyo lang po na kapag in this kind of problems, like yung mga consecutive odd or consecutive even numbers, tandaan nyo lang po na yung middle number is always the average. Okay, tandaan nyo lang ha. Halimbawa, hindi pa natin ito alam. Hindi pa natin alam na ito pala yung mga numbers na hinahanap natin, si 37, 39, 41, 43, and 45. Pero kung titingnan natin sa given, sinabi na yung average of 5 consecutive odd numbers is simply 41. Ngayon, ito yung technique nga, di ba? The middle number is always the average. So that means si 41 na average, siya dapat pala yung nasa gitna. So ibig sabihin, kailangan pa natin dito ng dalawang numbers at kailangan din natin dito ng dalawang numbers. So since 5 consecutive odd numbers ito, magsasubtract lang tayo dito ng 2, so we have 39. Subtract 2 again, so we have 37. At dito naman mag-add tayo ng 2, so we have 43. And add 2 again, so we have 45. So ito na po yung technique, which is pinakamabilis na paraan, especially when you are taking any government examination. Kung saan kailangan mo talaga maging mabilis kasi nga oras yung kalaban mo. I hope this video finds you well, at kung bago ka pa lang po sa ating channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Hope to see you next time. Bye for now.